Few names in sportswear carry a legacy of performance and style like this one. From humble beginnings in a small German town, it rose to global prominence, empowering athletes and setting standards in both sports and street culture. Known for innovation, iconic designs, and bold partnerships with cultural icons, this brand has become a powerful symbol worldwide. Join us as we uncover the remarkable journey of Adidas, from a family workshop to a global leader in sportswear. Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. Our story begins in Herzogenaurach, Germany during the 1920s. In a town still recovering from World War I, brothers Adolf and Rudolf Dassler set out to build a family business dedicated to crafting high-quality athletic footwear. Adolf, also known as Adi, was the visionary behind the brand, focusing on creating shoes that offered athletes a competitive edge. Together, they opened the Dassler Brothers Shoe Factory, where their commitment to quality and innovation quickly caught the attention of athletes in Germany and beyond. Each pair of shoes was handcrafted with precision, laying the foundation for what would become a brand defined by performance. Their hard work paid off on a global scale at the 1936 Berlin Olympics, when American track star Jesse Owens won 4 gold medals wearing Dassler shoes. This success brought the Dassler brothers international recognition and established their brand as a symbol of athletic achievement. Owens's triumph was not just a personal victory. It showcased the superior craftsmanship of Dassler footwear, elevating its status in the competitive world of sports. However, the outbreak of World War II and increasing tensions between the brothers tested their partnership. Conflicting personalities and visions for the business led to a deepening rift, and after the war, Adi and Rudolf ultimately went their separate ways. Adi founded Adidas in 1949, while Rudolf went on to establish Puma, setting up one of the fiercest rivalries in the history of sportswear. With the creation of Adidas, Adi Dassler set out to make his new brand a leader in sportswear. He combined his nickname, Adi, with the first 3 letters of his last name to create the brand name we know today. One of Adidas's earliest and most influential innovations was the introduction of the first removable stud soccer cleats in 1954. These groundbreaking cleats allowed players to adjust to changing field conditions, giving the German national team a crucial advantage during the 1954 FIFA World Cup. When Germany won, Adidas's reputation skyrocketed, and the 3 stripes, introduced as a branding element, became synonymous with excellence in sports footwear. This design, with its distinct and recognizable aesthetic, laid the groundwork for Adidas's identity as a global sportswear brand. By the 1960s and 1970s, Adidas expanded beyond shoes and ventured into sports apparel, making its mark as a trusted outfitter for athletes across numerous disciplines. The brand's iconic 3 stripes became a global symbol of performance and quality. Adidas developed a wide range of products to serve athletes in sports, from soccer and basketball to running and tennis. Partnering with legends like Muhammad Ali and Franz Beckenbauer, Adidas became a fixture in professional sports, admired for its functionality and performance-focused designs. These collaborations not only boosted the brand's visibility, but also connected it to the achievements and narratives of some of the greatest athletes of the time, reinforcing its image as a serious player in the sports industry. In the 1980s, Adidas's reach extended beyond sports as it became a staple in hip-hop culture. The hip-hop group Run-D.M.C famously embraced Adidas as part of their signature look, making the brand popular with fans of both sports and music. Their hit song My Adidas sparked a groundbreaking endorsement deal with the company, bridging the gap between sportswear and streetwear in an unprecedented way. This collaboration opened Adidas to new markets and generations, with the brand's 3 stripes seen as a symbol not only of athletic excellence, but also of cultural identity and authenticity. This marked a significant turning point in how sportswear was perceived, transforming Adidas from a performance brand into a lifestyle phenomenon. The 1990s brought new challenges, as Nike emerged as a major competitor, especially in the United States. Adidas responded with bold strategies, including acquisitions that expanded its market reach. In 1997, Adidas acquired Salomon, a French brand specializing in winter sports gear, marking its entrance into outdoor sports. Although it eventually sold Salomon, Adidas continued to grow through acquisitions, most notably with Reebok in 2005. This purchase helped Adidas strengthen its presence in North America and reach a broader fitness and lifestyle audience. With these moves, Adidas positioned itself as a versatile brand ready to meet diverse consumer needs while facing fierce competition. The new millennium also marked a period of technological advancement for Adidas. The company introduced the Adidas One in 2005, the world's first intelligent running shoe equipped with microprocessor-controlled cushioning. This innovative product showcased Adidas's commitment to blending performance with technology. As the market demanded higher levels of innovation, Adidas expanded its research and development efforts, pushing the boundaries of what athletic footwear could achieve. In addition to performance innovations, Adidas embraced environmental responsibility, launching initiatives focused on sustainability. In partnership with Parley for the Oceans, Adidas created a line of shoes and apparel made from recycled ocean plastics, demonstrating the brand's awareness of environmental challenges and its commitment to responsible production. These innovations set Adidas apart as a forward-thinking company invested in both performance and the planet. Today, Adidas has grown into a global powerhouse in sports, fashion, and culture, merging performance with lifestyle through collaborations with icons like Kanye West, Pharrell Williams, and Beyoncé. The brand's Yeezy line sets a benchmark for celebrity partnerships, while its focus on innovation and sustainability keeps it relevant across generations. From a small workshop to a global sportswear leader, Adidas inspires athletes and fans alike with its iconic three stripes, embodying a legacy of resilience, adaptability, and excellence that transcends sports, leaving a lasting impact on culture worldwide. Driven by a commitment to empower and innovate, Adidas remains at the forefront, continuously shaping the future of sports and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.